All right, so this is the first time someone took us up on our gift this stuff option over at the Gear website store. So Chris bought a set of all of our buttons, which is one of the items over at the Gear website store. He bought that on a Friday, so we're going to throw in a free patch with that and one of these coronavirus stickers that we had made up over at Allen Acre. And then we're going to throw in a second thank you to give to Gary to give away with all this. And because this was the first time someone took us up on this whole thing, and because Gary's awesome and Chris has been helping us out a bunch, I went ahead and made a couple more Gizzard Gary patches. I'm going to send this one to Chris, and I'm going to give this one to Gary to do with as he would like. This is one of the last daily gun shows with multicam in the background and glow in the dark on here, the fringed edges, and some of the last of the orange Velcro, and it's the scraps, so it's a bunch of them. So you get this separate, or this special hidden pocket. You could put something like a quarter in there or something cool. But so it's meant to be a big cut like this in the Velcro. But anyway, we're going to send Gary his own patch again, so he's got another one to do with as he wants. He's got one of the special Daily Gun Show ones. He's got some stuff that Chris is sending him from the Gear website store as a gift. We'll put that into the bubble envelope that, of course, I don't have handy, and it'll be shipped, tracked, and insured over to Gary. And listen to Gary's shows, Foul Territory, every Friday night, and then the Sunday morning show that for some reason I can never remember the name of. And the early bird chat. I don't know why I couldn't remember that one. We're going to send it now. I found this when I went to go cheat, and we'll put it in one of these fancy different color blue envelopes. And because it is, well, mainly because I found this big stack of free knives from a friend of mine who left them here when he moved out of state, I'm giving them away. And I'll give one of these to Gary as well to give away. I won't even open it up. This is a scorpion stinger, so as long as he gives this one to someone who can handle this kind of free knife, then you get all this stuff, Gary. Thanks for putting live conversations out each week for years now, and thanks to Chris for supporting Gary. Gary wanted me to send this to him so that he can include stuff before he sends it out. But one of the features we have with the gift this stuff is if Gary didn't need that or didn't want that option, we could hold this stuff. He could do whatever he's going to do. Just let us know who to ship it to, and we could ship it directly to that winner for him. So we're happy to do that. Thanks again to Chris, and take us up on that option. It helps out the Gear website store. It helps out the other shows that you like to watch, and everybody has a good time. Let us know in the comments what you think, and as always, thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching gunwebsites.com.